Hello guys, this is a new airdrop mining on Telegram. It's called Hot, and Hot is under the near blockchain. Is a new one. So first of all, let me put you guys through. So you click on the link, it will take you to Telegram. So it will ask you to create a wallet. You will click on start, then we'll tell you to create a wallet. Let me explain Near for you. Near is a coin. That's Near Protocol is a coin. It's on CoinMarketCap, and you can now mine Hot on Telegram. And from my investigation, this is 100% legit mining, and is verified already. I know you want to know how, but just watch the very end of the video. I will show you proof to tell you that this particular airdrop mining on Telegram is real and is not fake. So the first thing you need to do is to create an account. So if I click on create an account, it will take me to a seed phrase, but I don't want you guys to see it, so I'm going to pause the video. So I'm clicking on an account, create new account, because you need a Near wallet before you can mine Hot on Telegram. So once you click on the create account, it will show you your seed phrase which you need to save. So after you've saved your seed phrase, then you can click on create. Then it will take you here. It will start loading, creating your account. So this thing usually takes time. So 96, 97. Okay, so I'm close to creating my Near wallet. Come on, give me 100. So it takes time a little bit, so you just have to be patient while doing yours. So once it shows 100%, it will take you to this screen here. So this is my username here on Telegram, and so how do you start? The first thing you need to do, you need to click on claim, then you click on continue, then start mining. So they've given me 0.01 Hot, so I need to claim it. So it will still go the same thing, like from 0 to 100. Okay, 99. All right, give it to me. So like I said before, all these things usually takes time. So you can see right here in the screen that is currently mining, and you can see it's increasing. So meanwhile, it's showing here storage 2 hours 0 minutes to fill, which means that in 2 hours, exactly 2 hours, so you've been given a 0.01 Hot for you to claim here. So once you claim, the countdown will begin again and start mining all over again. So that's how it works. So there are 3 things how to mine Hot deep down. Then there are 3 gas, there's boost, and there's friends. So let's click on the 3 gas and see what happens here. They said, okay, follow Hot on Telegram. So you click on it, you join, so to keep up with their news. Then follow Hot, follow here on Telegram, 1 gas TX. Follow them. So sometimes most of these things you do, you have to increase your mining rates. Then 1 gas. Then I need to follow here on Twitter. So let me go over. Spots we have marked. Go back. If I click on it again. Then hot, then click on boost. So wooden storage, increase your fill time to less than, okay, let me click on it. They need you to upgrade here to level, claim every 3 hours, so you need to wait for 3 hours to claim this. Okay, so wait on that. So you can still keep trying, like checking the app out and try to see things. Then so from, I think this one, from different stages it will get you here once you keep moving up the ladder. So back to how did I know, so this is still counting. So back to how did I know that this particular mining is legit 100%. Okay, this I know. First of all, you need to go and verify any particular mining on their Telegram, on their Twitter handle. So since Hot is launched on that Near protocol, and Near protocol is a coin that is popular. So this is coin market cap, so for all cryptocurrency. So let's check, let's look for Near token. Let's see how much Near token costs. Okay, Near token is sitting on number 30 in coin market cap. It means that the whole wide world in cryptocurrency ranking, Near token is number 30 position, and it's trading for $2.77 currently as at when I'm making this video, and it has a market cap of $2.7 billion, $2.79 billion. So now let's verify this information if this is real. So we need to go to their Twitter handle to check if this is real. So let me look for Near protocol. Okay, this is them. You can see this is a business account, and this it has the yellow tick, not the normal blue one. So you can see these guys went through this thing. So let's look for any announcements that's relating to this particular claim to see if this thing is 100% legit. Here we go. So as when I'm making this video, in 23 hours ago, you see Near protocol posted meet Near wallet on Telegram. It means ears burning, nose full. That is because something hot is getting served up right now. It is inside every Telegram account. It is non-custodial. It is fully on chain. It is built by one of the Near ecosystem best. It is here. So this alone verifies that this particular mining is 100% legit. So guys, don't miss out. Partake. Let it not be as if like the way we missed that on ICE. And currently, TonAi is still launching 13 days from now. So don't stop mining. And if you are still mining Notcoin, continue doing that. Alright, so keep up the mining, and whether moon or dust, we are here.